now. I know many of us don't know how to send our videos from our phone to the laptop. So in this video, I'm teaching how to send videos from your phone to your laptop using your Xender. So let's start. First, let's head over to our Play Store and search for Xender. If you don't have, but I'll be surprised why you don't have Xender on your phone. So if you don't have, download the Play Store. After downloading it, let's go to our Xender. If you have downloaded it too, so let me search for my Xender. I see him searching for my Xender. It's plastic. This I get as a so we open our Xender and it's load for maybe anything, maybe 1 minute or 2. After it's load, click on the 3 icon up here. You will see connect to PC, connect to web, connect to kiosk, connect to Android, share Xender, phone copy, many more. But I want you to know there are 2 ways to connect laptop, which is PC to your phone, either by using it offline or by using data. But I will teach you how to make use of it offline, because now data is very expensive, and most of it it doesn't last again. Everybody knows. Like I do 1000 for 3.2 gig. I'm using it in a day. I beg data thing. I beg tell me na help us grow, help us. So may I use this thing. Anyway, we are going to make use of offline. So we click on connect to web. Then it shows this. So read it. Let me quickly drink water. So just be reading it, just look at my side. So first, put on your laptop. If you have not put it on now, let it be loading. When it has loaded finish, open the browser. But me, I will be making use of Microsoft Edge. Yes. After opening it, connect your phone hotspot to your laptop. Yes. So let's wait a minute. Let me connect mine. But I want you to know that it does not require that. So don't fear, don't panic, because this one is offline. That are using to connect your Xender to your phone. Do you see it says no internet, but it would work because it's an offline application. Yes, Xender is an offline application, it's not an online application. So next step is to click on the number that appear on your Xender. Yes, this number, are you seeing it? You click on the number will be like 196.168.48. Just look at it, see that I'm clicking on it. So you type all the number out to your Xender like you want to search for it. Just see me searching for it, So you press enter. When done, you put in the number, and it brings out permission like accept or reject. Then you click on accept on your phone, because on your phone you're able to connect it. Then it connects automatically and it's load. Then you click on OK, then it's connected. Then click on confirm in the laptop. When it connects, then we can copy. But do you know what you can copy on laptop? You can copy image, videos, audio, and many more like document. Maybe you can see them, but we'll click on video since it is video that we want. So sorry, this is all the video on my phone, but I'll block part of it for privacy reason. Then you search for the video you want to download on your PC. Then you click on the download icon, like the video, you click on download icon, then it starts downloading. Are you seeing it? As I'm downloading it, unless I forget, maybe it was downloading, I want to swipe down. Click on one video, then press icon. Then it brings this. So you click this, I just look at it to swipe down. After downloading whatever you want from your laptop to your phone. From your phone to your laptop, divide versa. From your phone to your laptop. So how do we see it that we have downloaded on laptop successfully? Before we minimize our browser, or we go to our home page. Yes. Click on file on the screen, any file of your choice. When it opens, go to the left side. You will see the videos we downloaded from downloads. Can you see it? I hope you are following. And in case you have lost, you can ask question no. And there's a tip at this video, but let me just tell you the tip now. In case you want to send it to flash drive, yes, highlight it. and first right click. Yes, right click. Then you see many options like send to what, and you pick send to what, USB connection. So that's it, and to start sending automatically. So this is it to start blinking, because I'm using Chipbox flash drive. Can you see it's copied already? So if you want me to teach you a second method of copying videos from your phone to your laptop using Xender, let me know in the comment section, because most of us are used to copying from code, and sometimes when code does not work, we now have changed to what, we find the code up and down. So this is an easy way for you. So if you want me to teach you second method, let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this video helpful. Then you will love the video that pops up after this, and you're able to learn something from this video. So thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next video. Hi, yeah. Bye. Bye.